Hi everyone, thank you so much for being here. My name is Megan. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my full coverage foundation routine, showing you the products that I use and also the techniques I use that work best for me. If you like to watch me get a flawless face, please keep watching. Alright, the first thing that I'm going to be applying is my Rosebud Save. This is just my chapstick that I use. Next thing I'm going to be going in with is my True Skin Moisturizer. It has vitamin C and also B5. And I'm going to be applying my face primer by Urban Decay. This is the Optical Illusion, and it gives me that smoothing finish for my base. Then I'm going to be going in with my foundation by Anastasia. This is the Luminous Foundation. My color is in 260N, and I'm just going to be blending that out with a damp beauty blender. Mine is Real Techniques. For my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer. My color is in 20NN. Then I'm going to be blending that out with my damp beauty blender. Next thing I'm going to be going in with is my Laura Mercier Translucent Brightening Powder. This definitely helps brighten and smooth my under eyes. And I'm going to also be applying that to my forehead and also my chin to set my foundation. The next thing I'm going to be doing is going in with my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. Next thing I'm going to be going in with is my Anastasia bronzing powder in Tawny, and I'm going to use a powder brush to blend. Using it for contour on my cheekbones. And then for blush, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blush palette. And I'm just going to be putting that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm just going to go back in with the Laura Mercier brightening powder, and I'm going to be carving out my cheekbones. And then I'll dust that away with a tapered brush. Then the next thing I'm going to be taking is my all-nighter setting spray. This is by Urban Decay. Next thing I'm going to be going in with is my highlighter. This is the Lancome in the color Sparkling Peach. I'm going to put that on my forehead, my chin, cheekbones, and my nose. Then I'm just going to go back in with Tawny to reapply some of that bronzer and to blend out the highlighter. Next thing I will be doing is my eyebrows, and I'm using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. My color is in Blonde. Then I'm just going to go in with Tawny to apply that to my eyelids. Next thing I will be doing is my eyeliner. I'm just using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in charcoal. Next thing I'm going to be doing is prepping my eyelashes, and I'm just using Big Ego. And the eyelashes that I'm using are by Eyelure London. They're the Luxe Silk. Next thing I'm going to be going in is the NYX Eye Pencil in white, and I'm putting that on my lower lash line just to brighten up my eyes. For my lip liner, I'm going to be going in with Maybelline Color Essential, and this is the color Magnetic Mauve. And then I'm just going to go back into my highlight and highlight my collarbones because I really love that dewy finish. Thank you everyone for watching. If you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to hit like, subscribe, and also leave a comment below of the kind of content that you would like to see from me. And I will see you guys in my next video.